You think you know how ice cream is made? Think again. What I'm about to show you will completely change how you see that scoop in your bowl forever. Behind the doors of massive ice cream factories, there's a hidden world of precision engineering, secret ingredients, and manufacturing processes so sophisticated they would make NASA jealous. And the most shocking part? Most people have no idea what really goes into their favorite frozen treat. I spent months investigating ice cream factories around the world, and what I discovered will blow your mind. From the moment raw ingredients arrive at the factory gates to the final product hitting store shelves, every single step is a carefully orchestrated symphony of science and technology. But here's the thing that really caught my attention. The process is nothing like what you'd expect. Let me take you inside one of the world's largest ice cream manufacturing facilities. Picture this. We're talking about a facility that produces over 50,000 gallons of ice cream every single day. That's enough to fill an Olympic swimming pool every week. But the real magic happens in the details that most people never see. It all starts with what they call the mixing room, and this is where things get interesting. Massive stainless steel tanks, each holding thousands of gallons, receive the base ingredients. But here's what shocked me. It's not just milk, cream, and sugar like you might think. The ingredient list includes stabilizers, emulsifiers, and compounds with names so complex they sound like they belong in a chemistry lab. The milk arrives in tanker trucks that look like they're carrying rocket fuel. These trucks can hold up to 6,000 gallons, and they're connected to the factory through a network of pipes that would make a plumber weep with joy. The milk is immediately tested for quality, fat content, and bacterial count. If it doesn't meet the exact specifications, the entire truckload gets rejected. We're talking about standards so strict that even a tiny deviation means thousands of dollars down the drain. But here's where it gets really fascinating. The pasteurization process isn't just about heating the milk. Modern ice cream factories use what's called high-temperature short-time pasteurization. The milk is heated to exactly 175 degrees Fahrenheit for exactly 15 seconds. Not 14 seconds, not 16 seconds, but exactly 15. This precision is controlled by computer systems that monitor temperature fluctuations down to fractions of a degree. Next comes the homogenization process, and this is where the real science kicks in. The milk mixture is forced through tiny holes under pressure so intense it would crush a car. We're talking about pressures exceeding 3,000 pounds per square inch. This breaks down the fat molecules to a size so small they're measured in nanometers. The result? That perfectly smooth texture that makes premium ice cream so irresistible. Now here's something that will surprise you. The aging process. Just like fine wine, ice cream base needs time to develop. The mixture is stored in massive refrigerated tanks for anywhere from 4 to 24 hours. During this time, the proteins hydrate, the stabilizers bloom, and the flavors begin to meld together. It's like the mixture is meditating, preparing itself for the transformation that's about to come. The flavoring stage is where artistry meets engineering. Vanilla beans from Madagascar, cocoa powder from Ecuador, strawberries from California. Each ingredient is added with pharmaceutical precision. The mixing equipment can detect flavor variations so subtle that human taste buds wouldn't even notice. Some factories use robotic arms to add ingredients, ensuring consistency that would be impossible to achieve by hand. But wait, here's the part that really blew my mind: the freezing process. You might think they just put the mixture in a big freezer, but you'd be completely wrong. The freezing happens in continuous freezers that look like something from a science fiction movie. The mixture enters these machines as a liquid and emerges as soft-serve ice cream in less than 2 minutes. Inside these freezers, the mixture is churned while being frozen to exactly 22 degrees Fahrenheit. But here's the crucial part: air is simultaneously whipped into the mixture. This isn't just random air, it's precisely measured and controlled. The amount of air, called overrun in the industry, determines whether you're getting premium ice cream or the cheap stuff. Premium ice cream has less air, making it denser and richer. The hardening process is equally impressive. The soft ice cream is pumped into packaging machines that can fill and seal containers at speeds that would make your head spin. We're talking about machines that can package over 600 containers per minute. That's 10 containers every second, each one perfectly filled to the exact weight specified. Then comes the hardening tunnel, a frozen corridor where temperatures drop to -20 degrees Fahrenheit. The packaged ice cream travels through this tunnel on conveyor belts, taking exactly 45 minutes to reach the proper hardness. The temperature control is so precise that sensors monitor every inch of the tunnel, making adjustments in real time. Quality control throughout this entire process is absolutely mind-boggling. Every batch is tested for texture, flavor, color, and consistency. Trained taste testers, with palates more refined than wine sommeliers, sample products throughout the day. They can detect flavor deviations that measuring instruments can't even pick up.
The storage and distribution network is like a frozen logistics masterpiece.
Warehouses maintained at exactly -10 degrees Fahrenheit, with inventory systems that track every single container. The loading docks are equipped with air curtains to prevent temperature fluctuations when trucks are loaded. But here's something that really caught my attention: the waste management system. Modern ice cream factories waste almost nothing. Even the cleaning water is recycled, and any ice cream that doesn't meet standards is either reprocessed or sent to animal feed facilities. It's sustainability on a scale that would impress environmental scientists. The technology involved is constantly evolving. Some factories are now using artificial intelligence to predict flavor trends, adjust recipes in real time, and optimize production schedules. We're talking about systems that can analyze thousands of data points per second and make adjustments that improve quality and efficiency. What makes this entire process even more remarkable is the scale. A single factory can produce hundreds of different flavors and varieties, switching between products with precision that would make a Formula One pit crew jealous. The logistics of coordinating ingredients, packaging materials, and production schedules is like conducting a symphony orchestra with hundreds of musicians. The next time you open a container of ice cream, remember this: you're not just enjoying a frozen treat, you're experiencing the result of one of the most sophisticated manufacturing processes in the food industry. Every creamy bite represents hours of engineering, science, and artistry working in perfect harmony. From those first drops of milk entering the factory to the final product in your freezer, ice cream manufacturing is a testament to human ingenuity and our endless pursuit of the perfect frozen dessert. It's a process that combines ancient techniques with cutting-edge technology, creating something that brings joy to millions of people every single day.